Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the structure you'll use. Open Gmail, go to Settings and Labels, then click Create New Label. Name it and choose a parent if needed. Make a few labels now, project, receipts, and follow-up so you have examples. Once done, set visibility and pick colors to scan your inbox faster. This initial labeling speeds decisions later and prevents dozens of one-off labels that clutter your account. Next, create filters that apply those labels automatically. Use the search box to define criteria, sender, subject words, or attachment presence, and test the results. Then click Show Search Options and create filter. Select Apply the label and pick the label you made. Make sure to check Also Apply to matching conversations if you want retroactive tagging. This saves time and keeps similar messages together without manual dragging. Finish by refining filters and confirming behavior. Go to Settings, right arrow filters to edit rules, merge duplicates, or remove overly broad conditions. Then reapply to existing messages if needed. Make sure label visibility is set so you actually see tagged emails in the left pane. If expected emails aren't labeled, verify the search criteria and test with exact sender or keyword. Also check Spam and Promotions tabs because filters don't override those. One clear tweak often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.